Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete saved passwords on Firefox in just a few easy steps. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open the Firefox browser on your computer. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. That's the menu button. From the drop-down menu, select Passwords. This will open Firefox built-in password manager. Here, you will see a list of all the websites and accounts where Firefox has saved your login information. Now find the account you want to delete. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find it. Once you find it, click on the entry. Then click on the three dots next to the password details and select Remove. A confirmation message will pop up. Just click Remove again to permanently delete the saved password. And that's it. The password is now deleted from Firefox. If you want to delete multiple passwords, just repeat the same steps for each one. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.